Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Polokwane City 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by Jimmy Wabutokwa.
Chobela, Kimai. Sibo, Oscar, Polokwane City, Oscar Limpopo win.
Limpopo win!
Thank you. Limpopo win! Mucha mtu achise relax man. The beating. Ya relax. Wato premier chiefs gil. Umudo da mana babla lada. Matches must relax. Or obana matches fan. Was relax. They beat them yesterday.
Yes.
Ku wujel mal go fen beat. They took too much.
Yeah.
Aita. Yesterday you see what's happened yesterday.
Yes.
Full packed. They moved them. They moved them yesterday.
Yes.
Today they moved Sundowns.
Yes.
Eta, this bargi bitwe. Barle achisa luto likazelo luto. Wabona buthatha ne?
Yeah.
Polokwane City play well. They deserve the win.
Yes.
To win.
Yes.
They can say, some they can say Paris holding umbrellas. We lead them with 3 points.
Yes.
I tell you, this is Lea Chesa forever. Let's all over to one team is 2. Not another 3 point of I know we're going, we're cruising. Oh, Papa, wow, Paris to umbrella. Oh, no, umbrella. Paris is a big team.
Yes.
And then now we don't complain. For today, for Polokwane City, they played well. They have a 3 point. Yesterday again, our brother side, that side, they play well.
Yes.
We're good for them. It's possible to play well. Man of the match. Give up goalkeeper ya Polokwane City.
Yes.
Mara ilegere for Polokwane City. Ula bana sana se rejin gari balen. Yeah. Rejin gari balen. Yeah. Rela seal.
Sundowns 0 shots on target.
We won winner.
0 shots on target.
Yeah.
0 shots on target.
I rasi.
Sundowns.
Estibo. Relevo limera wa Polokwane.
But you can flop your Sundowns.
Ona flop. Eta ngwao gikapentwa. Kapar zuri guy. Arabrujanga oria. Rena Polokwane City we win.
Yes.
Super Sport win.
Yes.
Babulele le shata la Gauteng.
Yes.
Skar bojor nini. Now we are happy and then matter. We'll meet Bombela. Bombela.
Yes.
First.
Yes.
And then Saturday I'm with this. It's announced. In my first time, I'm with you on Saturday. You must move this one 5-0.